हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बीएससी सेकेंड ईयर का ऑप्टिक्स पेपर का टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे, नोडल प्लेन्स या नोडल पॉइंट्स. लेट अस एन ऑप्टिकल सिस्टम हियर लाइक यूनिट प्लेन्स. दिस इज सिमिलर टू द यूनिट प्लेन्स. This is an optical system of thickness T and refractive index mu. In the optical system here air of refractive index 1, and this medium is also same as air, refractive index is 1. Then this is the optical system of a thick lens, and the medium surrounding this lens is same of refractive index 1. Then we take 2 points on the principal axis. One is N1, another point is N2. This point is N2. One in the objective space left of the optical system and one in the right of the optical system. This is first nodal point and this is second nodal point. These points are considered as the ray striking at this nodal point emerging out from this nodal point and incident on the optical system at the angle alpha 1. Then the rays emerging out from the second nodal point at the same angle. If the angle is same, emerging angle from the second nodal point and the first nodal points are same, then it produces unit angular magnification. So these rays are at incidences that it is the same angle of incidence to this refracting surface, and the rays emerging out from the second nodal points at the same angle as it emerging out from the first nodal point. So the angles are same, so the angular magnification produced in such optical systems is 1 and unity and positive. So these are the nodal points. And if we draw the perpendicular lines planes to the nodal points and to the principal axis, we draw the perpendicular planes. This is first nodal plane, and the plane that is perpendicular to the principal axis and passing through the second nodal point is second nodal plane. Here N1 and N2 are nodal points, and the planes passing through the nodal points and perpendicular to principal axis are nodal planes. Let's each plane is small n1 and this plane is small n2, n1 and n2. तो क्या होगा अगर आप डेफिनेशन आ जाए व्हाट आर नोडल पॉइंट्स, देन द पेयर ऑफ पॉइंट one point in objective space, one in the image space, that the ray coming out they produce for an optical system, the two pair of points in an optical system such that they have unit angular magnification in between them. Then the points are known as nodal points. And the planes passing through the nodal points and perpendicular to the principal axis are known as nodal planes. Another way में आप बोल सकते हो the rays emerging out from the first nodal point are at the same angle at it emerging out from the second nodal point. So these are the nodal points. If this angle is alpha 1 for this point, if we want to write the direction cosine, that is lambda 1, that is mu 1 sine of the angle here alpha, and lambda 2 is mu 2. The refractive index here is also 1. Mu 1 is mu 1. Then this medium is also mu 1 into sine of the angle emerging out rays angle alpha, then this is angles are small क्योंकि these rays are paraxial rays, so the angles are small and sin alpha is nearly equal to alpha, so this is mu1 alpha and this is also mu1 alpha, so that lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2. For unit angular magnification क्या होगा, डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस एट दीज पॉइंट्स आर इक्वल एंड दे हैव द वैल्यू लैम्डा 1 एंड लैम्डा 2. these are the values are same, lambda 1 is equal to lambda 2. The first thing is from the angular magnification is the value of direction cosine emerging from the first point of for the ray and the second point is equal, that is lambda 1 equal to lambda 2. Also the system matrix, if the coordinates of this point on the paraxial ray is lambda 2 y2 final points, then this is equal to system matrix into lambda 1 and y1, and here the system matrix is b minus a minus c in d into lambda 1 y1. तो हमने इस इक्वेशन को सोल्व किया था फॉर द ऑप्टिकल सिस्टम, देन दिस सिस्टम बिकम्स बाय नोइंग द वैल्यू ऑफ बी मैट्रिसेस फाइंड करके मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद दिस सिस्टम मैट्रिक्स आपकी ये आ गई थी, दैट इज लैम्डा 2 y2 b प्लस a d1 माइनस a 0 c माइनस a d2. दिस विल बी द सिस्टम मैट्रिक्स इनटू लैम्डा 1 y1. This is the optic matrix for the final coordinates are equals to system matrix into lambda 1 y1. Initial coordinates of this point are this. So this is the system matrix. Also here the distance of first nodal plane from the first refracting surface we take as this distance as d1 n1, and the second nodal point distance from this surface is dn2. Then this distance is the distance in objective space is d1, this replaced by dn1 here, and this distance is replaced by dn2. d2 is the this distance, this is here dn2, the distance is dn2. So from matrix multiplication, first row with first column b plus a dn1 into lambda 1 minus a y1 is equals to क्या होगा, that is first point lambda 2 and y2 will be equals to c minus a dn1 into y1. तो from here lambda 2 हमने पीछे निकाला था कि should be equals to lambda 2, so the for the point objects y1 is 0, for point objects y1 is 0. From here lambda 2 is equals to b plus a dn1 lambda 1 plus minus a into 0. From here lambda 2 is equals to b plus a dn1 by lambda 1, ये यहाँ पे ले आए, lambda 2 lambda 1 इक्वल हैं तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा b plus a dn1 equals to 1 and dn1 is equals to 1 minus b और by a. तो dn1 is 1 minus b by a. This is similar to distance of objective space du1. Similarly we can use this is reciprocal of this is 1 by m, this is m, so here b plus a dn1 is equals to c 1 by c minus a dn2 is equals to 1 क्योंकि this value is 1, तो from here c minus a dn2 is 1, dn2 is c minus 1, from here dn2 is c minus 1 by a. This is similar to du2, distance of unit planes. So the points, nodal points are at the same distance as the distance of unit planes, so the distance is same as unit planes. तो सिमिलर वे से हम आगे जो मैट्रिक्स मेथड्स अप्लाई करके सोल्व कर सकते हैं, और n1 और n2 आर एट द सेम पोजीशंस एट द पोजीशन ऑफ द यूनिट प्लेन्स, और यूनिट प्लेन्स की हमारी पोजीशन आई थी राइट ऑफ दिस एट ए डिस्टेंस t by 2 म्यू, राइट, ये फर्स्ट नोडल यूनिट प्लेन था एंड दिस इज सेकेंड unit plane. So the distance of nodal points are also same. So this is first nodal plane n1 should be here, and second nodal plane should be here on the principal axis. So the light rays coming at the angles alpha, and this लाइट रेज, इसको दोबारा बनाते हैं तो क्या होगा, यहाँ से हमें पता लग गया कि नोडल पॉइंट्स आर एट द या नोडल प्लेन्स आर एट द सेम डिस्टेंस एज द यूनिट प्लेन्स. तो दे हैव एट द सेम पोजिशन. तो यू कैन ड्रॉ द नोडल पॉइंट्स एंड नोडल यूनिट प्लेन्स हेयर. दिस इज द ऑप्टिकल सिस्टम ऑफ थिकनेस t. एज द यूनिट प्लेन्स, जो डिस्टेंस प्रीवियस लेक्चर में देखा था, फर्स्ट नोडल यूनिट प्लेन इज एट ए डिस्टेंस t by 2 mu, and second unit plane is towards the right at a distance t by 2 mu. This is the first unit plane, second unit plane. This is also the first nodal plane, and this is second nodal plane, and this is the first nodal point n1, and this is second nodal point n2. The rays entering, you can draw the rays coming at an angle, let's say alpha 1 पे enter करती है to this, then it यानी deviates from the original path and passing through the point n2 here. This is passing through the point n2. This appears to be this will be n1. Alpha angle पे enter करेगी, and that is deviated from this point and this appears to be coming from this point. So the angle here is also alpha. ठीक है. So these are the position first nodal point, this is second nodal point, at the same distance as t by 2 mu. So by knowing the matrix, system matrix B minus A minus C D, तो B, A, C और D की नॉलेज से हम ऑप्टिकल सिस्टम के पैरामीटर या प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द ऑप्टिकल सिस्टम कैन बी फाउंड, and also these are the Gaussian constants A, B and C. So we can find the focal length of the optical system, distance of unit planes, nodal planes by knowing the value of B, A, C and D. Also for this system, almost generally the optical system, the medium on both sides of the optical system is same. This formula for the same medium on both sides of the optical system. Thanks for watching.